guys. Good. Yum. It's yummy. Salmon, squid, and rendang. Balikan kita mamaya. That's my dinner, my lunch, I mean. One here, barbecue. Oh, looks yummy, eh? It's yummy, look. Beautiful. It's the one, barbecue. Nice. It's beautiful, that guy. It's beautiful. This is inside the Petronas Tower in Kuala Lumpur. Ito naman is Basket Supreme. Ay, puting ko muna. Nagutom ako ulit doon sa mga ano. Okay, this one is chili me. I think it's all noodles. This one here, may biats. And here, not a ramen. Fish and chips. I just have a look first, right? Here. Oh, looks yummy, yeah? Yeah, it's cheap. 26 ringgit. It's cheap. Oh my god, no more room. Cool. One, all mga sabaw-sabaw ba? Oh, ramen. Look at that, guys. Oh, ramen. Oh, I love it. This one here is famous curry. Yeah. Dito pala, curry. Hamid. Famous curry, guys. Curry food. Oh, may basmati. Meron. Nasi. Sarap to. Biryani. Biryani, guys. Biryani. Yan. Wala nang malagyan. Yung tiyan ko. Puno na, guys. Puno na, guys. Puro lapang dito. Lapang. Ang laki ng restaurant nila rito, guys. Look at that. This one here. Ito naman is yung taupo. Yung taupo. Ayun, ikaw gagawa ng sabaw. Guys, ikaw mamimili. Parang ano eh. Hot pot. Ikaw mag-ano, titimbang nila yan. Mamimili ka ng ilalagay mo. Ayan, mga gulay-gulay eh. Ayan. Wow. Yum. Guys, mura lang oh. Oh, 3 ringgit lang oh. Oh my god, very cheap. Walang busog na ako, guys. Napatoilet na kanina. Sobrang kabusugan. Bababa ako dun sa park muna at tanong muna ako kung may available na ano, na tour. Baka makapag-tour ako sa taas. Kasi dito daw advance booking. So tingnan ko kung may available. Baka makasingit. Guys, Kuala Lumpur the best. Babalik ako rito, guys. Babalikan ko ito. Sama ko yung mga anakish. Jowa ko. Ayan. Guys, it's the best. Ang ganda sa linggo rito, the best. Lagay ko, enjoy ka. Enjoy ka na 1 week. Parang mas okay sa iba. Sa Thailand, saka Vietnam. Guys, nasa park saglit. Babalik ako dito sa loob. Okay, guys. Muna kayo, guys. Labas muna ako. Prada. Okay.